In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a collage on Instagram app. So without wasting the time, let's move on to the video. First of all, open your Instagram app and click on this plus button to add your post or story, and then click on this to create any word here. Click on this next, and then click on this icon to change your background color. After selecting this, and tap on hold on your canvas. So in this way your background color has been changed, and click on this tick button, and then add your photos by click on this sticker icon. Scroll down, and here you can see the plus button. Click on this, add this into your canvas, and if you click and hold on this, it will cut in reshape. Alright, now adjust your picture here and drag here. To adding more pictures, again click on sticker icon, then click on this button to add this. Simply adjust and drag your image here, and let me add a little bit more. You can adjust as like me, and after click on this send button. So send your story to your friends or make your story. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and ask me anything in the comment section. Thanks for watching.